In this video, I will show you how to transfer your domain from GoDaddy to Ionos. Head over to ionos.com and then you can see this. So what we can do in this case is we can just head over first our GoDaddy and then find in here the domain that we want to purchase. So for example, let's search in here for this and click on the search domains. From in there, it will search for some domain extensions that you can actually purchase from GoDaddy. If you have already purchased something, then you can head over and do that. I'll just choose in here this one. Just click on this plus icon right there. Once I have done that, it will keep going right here and then you can just click on the continue option once it's done processing from in there. From in there, click on this continue to cart and then you can just check out this particular domain. Just input your payment information. We have in here the domain. Just click on this I'm ready to pay in order to pay for it. Now, once you have bought that, head over right here to your Ionos, and then you can see in here this domains and SL and all of these things right here. So what you can do instead is you can head over to other tab and search in here for Ionos transfer. You can see this domain transfer right here, and it's actually free, and they only have 3 easy steps. Just head over and choose that, and then enter in here the existing domain that you want, which is one we have just purchased from GoDaddy, and click on this transfer option. Now you can see if its domain is actually eligible for transfer. If it's available, you can head over and then transfer it using the on-screen instructions.